Welcome to Bodmas Help with Mr. D. So, if you've been struggling, we've gone back to basics here a little bit, okay? Watch this and pay attention. Now remember, Bodmas just tells us the order we do things in. Each step can be broken up so we can solve problems. So, let's have a little look here. First off, I have to check, are there any brackets? Because my first letter. Yes, there's brackets, so let's deal with that first. So 3 times by 4, or 4 times by 3 is 12. Times by 2, add on 5. Okay, so then we check, are there any powers of? No. Is there any division? No. Is there any multiplication? Yes. So that's our next step. So then we need to do 12 times by 2. So 12 times by 2 is 24. And then add on the 5. And then I check, any addition? Yes. And simple number sentence now. There's no other things I need to solve. 24 add 5 is 29, and my answer goes back up at the top. Okay, now this time the brackets aren't at the beginning, but we still follow the right order because that's the order we solve in. So we write out the first bit again, 4 times, and we've found the brackets. So 4 times 2 times 10. Well, 2 times by 10 is 20, so I can simply write down 20 there, and then add on the 10. Now, we then check, have I got any powers of? No. Have I got any division? No. Have I any multiplication? Yes. So my next step is to multiply these two numbers. So 4 times 2 is 8, but the calculation is 10 times bigger, so it's 80. And then we add on the 10. And we're now back to another number sentence that's very easy to understand. 80 add 10, well 8 add 1 is 9, and it's 10 times bigger, so it must be 90. Let's have a little look at these ones over here, okay? Now this time there's no brackets, but we still must remember the order of Bodmas. So there's no brackets, there's no powers of, but there is a division question, okay? So we're going to deal with the division first. So 15 divided by 5, well 5 goes into 15 3 times, 3 times by 3, and then we've got a simple number sentence to answer because all I've got left now is a multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9, and my answer goes back at the top. Okay, this one, much longer calculation, but we still follow the same systems. So there's no brackets, there's no powers of, there's no division, but there is multiplication. So let's deal with this section first. 20 times by 5, or 2 times 5 is 10, but this is 10 times bigger, so it must be 100. Add on 15, take away 2. Now I have two options here. I could deal with the addition then the subtraction, or I can deal with it in one calculation. We're going to stick to the method, so we're going to go to addition next. 100 add 15 is 115, and then my subtractions last, take away 2 equals 113, and my answer goes back at the top. Now, I want you to go and have a go at these, and if you want to, you can send me them as a message and I can check them for you. Keep following the system, keep following the order, and you'll always get the right answers. Good luck.